Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss about select statement in SQL. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. The select statement is useful for you to retrieve the information from the table or display the information from the table. It is a data retrieval language. Let me discuss about the syntax of select statement. You can write select and then what are the columns you want to display. You can write column 1, column 2 from the source. Which table you want to display the information you have to write. So select what are the columns from table name. Then what are the columns are there, those columns information only will be displayed. If you want to discuss with an example, let me write student and then student table having the three attributes called ID, name, marks. Now among these three attributes, I want to display the information of ID and marks. Then I can write select ID comma marks from the table called student. Then the information related to the ID column and marks column from the student table will be displayed. If you want to display all the columns from a particular table, then you can write star. So select star from table name, end with semicolon. Now if I write select star from student table, then the ID, name, marks columns will be displayed from the student table. If you use the where clause, the tuples which are satisfying the condition will be displayed. Then you can write select column 1, column 2 from table name, and then I can write where on a particular column give a condition. The tuples which are satisfying the condition will be selected and column 1, column 2 only will be displayed. All these concepts we will discuss practically in Oracle SQL Plus. There are several tables are there. If you want to display all the tables, then you can write select star from tab end with semicolon. Then you can see various tables like DEPT, EMP, bonus, sample 1, sample 2, sample 3. All these tables are there. If you want to look at the description of the EMP table, then you can write DESC EMP. Then you can see all the attribute names and their corresponding data types have been displayed. If you want to display the information from the EMP table, then you can write select star from EMP. Then 14 rows were displayed like EMP number, E name, job, MGR who is a manager, hire date, SAL, all these things have been displayed. Now look at here, EMP number 7902, E name Ford, job analyst, who is the manager for this Ford have been displayed, hire date, everything has been displayed. If you want to display only few columns or the attributes, that also you can provide. Like I want to display the EMP number, E name, comma, SAL from the table called EMP. Then you can see we have EMP number, E name, salary have been displayed. Totally 14 rows were displayed. Now you want to display the rows or the tuples which are satisfying a particular condition. Then look at here, I want to display the people who are working as a clerk. Then I will write select EMP number, E name, comma job, comma SAL from EMP table where job is equal to, within the single quotes I need to write clerk and close the single quotes, end with semicolon. Now you can able to see the employee number, employee name and salary who are working as a clerk have been displayed. So the employee name Smith, Adams, James, Miller are working as a clerk and their corresponding salary has been displayed. Similarly, you want to know the employees who are getting 800 salary. Then you can write select star from EMP where SAL is equal to 800. Now you can see only one employee called Smith is getting 800 rupees salary. Now if you want to get the employees whose salary is greater than 800, then you can write select star from EMP where SAL is greater than 800. Then around 13 employees are getting a salary which is greater than 800. You want to display their names only, then you can write select name from EMP where SAL is greater than 800. Then around 13 rows have been displayed. These are the employees who are getting salary greater than 800 from the table called EMP. Now you want to club two tables. Sorry, not two tables, I'm really sorry, two attributes. Look at here, let me give the description of the table called EMP. Now I want to club the name and job as a single column and I want to display their salary also. Then I will write select name logical or, give the single quotes, give a space, single quotes, then again logical or job, comma, SAL from EMP table. Then you can see the name, the logical expression, whatever the expression, and then job, and then name and job has been concatenated. Smith clerk, Ward salesman, Jones manager, and their salary have been displayed. Now instead of getting their monthly salary, you want to display the annual salary. Then you can write select name, whatever the expression we have given, let me provide it again, comma, SAL into 12 from EMP table. Now you can see name, the expression job, instead of salary in the monthly we got salary, annual salary. Now instead of the column name like this, SAL into 12 like this, I want to give a specified column name. Then we can use the aliasing concept. I will write select name, the expression as, I will give name and job, comma, SAL into 12 as, I will give salary from EMP table. Then you can see instead of giving name, the expression job, we got name and job salary. Now I want to give a space, name space job. Then you can look at here, select name, the expression, then job as, I will write within the single quotes, name space job, close the single quotes, comma, SAL into 12 as salary from EMP table. What happened? Keyword not found. Let me give the edit. I will give in the double quote. Let me save it, close this one and give the backslash. Now you can see namespace job has given. If you want to give underscore, that also you can give. In that case you no need to provide the double quotation. You can write select name, the expression job as, simply you can write name underscore job, comma, SAL into 12 as salary from EMP table. Okay, again keyword not found. What happened? Select name. Oh, we did not given the expression properly. You need to give logical or again. Let me save this one, close it, backslash. Now you can see name underscore job. Like this we can use the aliasing concept. Now if you want to display only the salary from the table called EMP, then you can write SAL from EMP table. Then you can see 14 rows were displayed. However, you can see 5000 have been repeated twice. No, 5000 is only once, but 3000 have been repeated twice. 1250. How many times is there? 2 times is there. Now the duplicate information have been displayed, means there are duplicate information in the SAL. You want to avoid the duplicate, you want to display only the distinct values, then you can use the keyword called distinct SAL from EMP. Then you can see 12 rows are selected. 3000 only came once, 1250 came once. Like this you can use the distinct keyword to display the elements uniquely. Now we will discuss about order by clause. The order by clause is useful for you to sort the tuples. Then you can write select what are the columns you want to write. You can write column 1, column 2 from the table name. Then you can write where condition if it is required. Okay, where condition on a particular column. Then you can write order by. Remember one important point. The order by clause should be the last clause. Whatever the group by, having all these things should come before, then order by. The group by, having all these things we will discuss in the coming videos. So order by, on which column you need to provide. If you provide like this, the data will be sorted in the ascending order. If you want to display them in the descending order, then you can write select column 1, column 2 from table name. If you does not want to give the where condition, then you can avoid order by column 2 DESC end with semicolon. Then the data will be sorted in the descending order. These concepts we will practically verify. I will write select ename, job, SAL from EMP table. I will write order by ename end with semicolon. Now you can see all the employee names are sorted in the ascending order and their corresponding job and salary has been displayed. If you want to display them in the descending order, if you want to verify, look at here, first A came, then B, then C, then F, finally W came. Means the employee names are sorted and their job and salary also have been displayed. Now if you want to display them in the descending order, then you can write select ename, job, SAL from EMP order by ename DESC. Then you can see first word has been displayed, at last Adams, Ellen, like this it has been displayed. Now if you want to sort based on 2 attributes or multiple attributes, then also you can use the select statement. So select ename, job, SAL from EMP table. First I want to order by job, then I want to order by ename in the ascending order. Now you can see first it has been ordered based on the job. First you have the analyst and analyst. Then it has been ordered based on Ford and Scott, means 2 analysts are there. Now it will be sorted based on the ename. First F came, then S. Similarly, it has been ordered based on the clerk. There are multiple clerks are there. Their employee names again have been sorted. First Adams came, then James came, Miller came, Smith came. Similarly, manager, 3 managers are there, and again these employee names have been sorted. Beeley, clerk, okay, Jones, like that. You can sort based on a single column or multiple columns also. If you want to sort them in the descending order, that also you can do. Ename, job, SAL from EMP order by job, ename, I will write DESC. Then 14 rows have been selected. Now, instead of providing the column name, I want to give a number. Then you can see, I will write select ename, comma job, comma SAL from EMP order by, I will write 3, end with semicolon. Now you can identify on what it has been sorted. It has not sorted based on the ename, because if it has been sorted based on the ename, then Adam should come first. Even it is not ordered based on the job. If it has been ordered based on the job, then analyst should come first. Then on what base it has ordered? Based on the salary called SAL, 800, 950, 1100, 1250, like that it has been displayed. Now you can look at how many columns we have given. 3 columns, ename, job, SAL. Then I have provided 3, means on the third, based on the third column you should sort it. Okay, if you want to sort based on the second attribute called job, then you can write ename, comma job, comma SAL from EMP order by to DESC. Now based on the job, in the descending order the element should be sorted. Even you can give the column name or aliasing name, or you can give the sequence number. Always the sequence number will start from 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, now we will discuss how can we give aliasing name. Like I will write select ename as employee name, comma job, comma SAL from EMP table order by, I will give employee name, end with semicolon. Now employee name. Okay, based on the employee name, the elements are sorted in the ascending order. I hope you have understood the basic select statement. Similarly, we will discuss like how can we use the functions, how can we use the like, in between. All these things we will discuss in the coming videos. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.